Namaskar students, Computer Science Informatics Practices Class 11. Welcome to my series with this chapter Computer System Overview. So in this video I will discuss about input devices and output devices. In previous video I have given brief overview about computer system, what is computer and how it's working, its main functions. So computer is performing three main functions. By the definition we can see first is input, second is process and third is output. It is also known as IPO cycle. IPO cycle means input, process, output. First we have to accept data as input, then or we can say enter data as input. Second, it will process inside computer, and third one, it produce the result, whether it is on screen or on paper. Whatever we are getting on screen, that is called soft copy, and whatever we are getting on page, that is called hard copy. The output we can receive in three formats. One is called on screen, that is soft copy. Second is called off screen, that is on page, that is hard copy. And third one is on air. If you are listening a song or watching something and that sound is coming, that is coming through air only, so that is called on air. So these three types of outputs are generated by the computer. So in this in this video I will explain about this all device. So let's begin. Myself Sanjay Parmar. I welcome you all on my channel tutorial AICS IP. So let me begin. First, keyboard. As you have seen keyboard, it is looking like a standard typewriter. If you have seen earlier, people were using typewriter to type something. So keyboard is similar like that. It has many keys like function key F1 to F12, alphabets key A to Z, then numerical key 1 to 9, 0 to 9, then caps lock, tab, shift, control, window, and all these keys are there with keyboard. Basically keyboards are available in three different types. First one is known as USB keyboard, second one is PS2, and third one is wireless. So you can use any of these keyboards. So PS2 and USB, they are attached to your particular port. USB port you will find where you are mounting your pen drive, that is called USB port. PS2 port has 7 pins and it is coming in circle. So in that circle you can mount your PS2 keyboard, and generally it is found in the backside of your cabinet, and there you can mount your keyboard. Then mouse. Generally keyboard is coming with purple color cable so that you can attach directly to that port, that is called PS2 port. Similarly mouse is there. So mouse is pointing device where it has sensor below that mouse. Earlier a small ball was coming in place of this sensor, and when you are moving, the pointer movement happens on the screen accordingly. When you move left, it will go left side. When you move right, it will come to right side, and it has simple 3 buttons on top of it. First left, second right, and scroll button. So left and right both are used for left click, right click, like that, and scroll you can use for scrolling. Then scanner. Basically scanner is used to scan something. If whatever document you have and you want to insert the same document or input the same document in computer, you can use scanner. So there are different methods of scanning. So first one is optical character reader. So this is used to scan the documents which has normal text. If you have a text document, you can scan with OCR. So that is called optical character reader. Its speed is very fast. It can scan 1400 characters per second. So likely you can use this OCR for scanning your text document. Second is barcode reader. If you have visited any mall like Big Bazaar or D-Mart or any other mall, there you will find this device, barcode reader. They have small device like gun, and when they are just putting this device in place of barcode sticker. Barcode sticker you might have seen. Right now it is coming with every product. On that one sticker is there with thick and thin black lines, that is called barcode sticker. So when this barcode scanner is reading that lines, it will take the data as input and it will calculate the amount also. So that is called BCR. Then MICR. If you have seen the check, on check some kind of special ink is used. So they want to read this type of check, they can use MICR. So mostly banks are using MICR for reading the checks. So MICR is special kind of scanner. The full form is magnetic ink character recognizer, or you can say reader. So it will read the magnetic ink character, whatever written on the check or on the paper, whatever it is. Then next device is joystick. Joystick, basically if you are playing a game on computer, then joystick is there. It has different types of buttons that will move your character on the screen in the games. So for that you can use joystick. Then touch screen. Right now in smaller computer device, or we can say PDAs, personal digital assistants, having touch screens mostly. Whatever device you are using, you have the touch screen. So when you touch, it will take the input. So it has one special type of sensor. It will identify the command and your touch. So accordingly it will work. And next device is light pen. Light pen is used like that marker or stylus we are using. That is called light pen only, one type of light pen. So when you are writing on the smart board, it will take your data as input. Now let me discuss about output device. Output device are used to display the data, whether it's on paper or on page, or it will spread on air. So first is monitor, second is printer, third is speaker, and fourth is projector screen. So monitor, basically monitor you have seen. So there are so many types of monitors available. First one is CRT. CRT means cathode ray tube. CRT. So that is cathode ray tube. That is full form of CRT. Earlier you have seen these monitors. They are coming with cathode ray tube, means backside you can see that longer part is there. So it generally contains a phosphorus layer backside it, and when the computer or monitor is started, it will get the power and it will start an electromagnetic gun. One gun is there that will start the work and it will generate the dots on the screen and the output will be generated. Then LCD. LCD means liquid crystal display. Right now whatever devices you are using, mostly LCDs are there. And then LED, the full form is light emitting diode. That is also most popular nowadays. So that monitor and LCD monitors are mostly used nowadays in the offices and schools, and whatever organizations are there, they are using computer. Mostly they are using either LCD or LED. In our homes also we are using TVs, either LCD or LED. So these are the types of different monitors. Second, printer. Printer generally used to take out the hard copy. Hard copy, as I said, whatever data you are receiving on paper, that is called hard copy. So there are various types of printers. First printer we can say DMP. DMP. DMP stands for dot matrix printer. Dot matrix printer. If you do not have large document or longer document for taking out a print, you can use dot matrix printer. As you have traveled somewhere with government buses or some of the travel companies, they are using dot matrix printer to print your data on ticket. So this ink is not available for longer time. After some time it will be erased and your paper will be plain, but for some time it will stay on the paper. So what is there in dot matrix printer? They have a mechanism which generates a dot, and by that dot only it is preparing the entire letter. Suppose if we are typing P, then it's coming like this. It will make a dot and then it will print letter like that. So that is called dot matrix printer. Each and every letter is made by dot only. Suppose, let me show you how it is preparing with MS Paint. So you have idea about that. See, here I am making P. So that you will see in this manner on dot matrix printer printed page. So it makes alphabets like this with the help of dots only. So here it will print in this manner. So these types of printers are used for taking out prints for smaller documents like tickets or somewhere slips you want to print or something like that. You can use dot matrix printer. After that, another printer is inkjet printer. It is used to print documents with ink. Okay, different types of inks are available in that. You can take out the printout by inkjet printer, but they are small. They are not as much fast as laser printer. So it will generate a noise also while printing the paper. So they are not that much popular, but if you want to use at home, you can use inkjet printer for taking color photographs and all. But the output is not better than LaserJet printer. So third type is LaserJet printer. It is very famous and little bit expensive also compared to dot matrix printer and inkjet printer. But the quality is very good and it will produce good speed compared to inkjet printer and dot matrix printer. So laser printers are widely used in offices and at home also you can use laser printer. Then one 3D printer is coming which is printing the 3D letters, means whatever data is available that you can take out in 3D form. So that is called 3D printer. Mostly civil engineers and those who are working softwares like Pro E, AutoCAD, they can use this 3D printer to take the data in 3D form. Then speaker, as you know, speaker is used to generate the sound on the air. So that speaker can be used for different purposes, for listening songs, for taking video, sound, or etc. And last one is projector screen. Projector screen is also one output. If you want to project something on big screen, you can use projector and that will be projected on the screen. So I hope you are enjoying my videos and learning from my videos. So hit the like button and share with your friends. And if you are watching my video first time, coming to my channel first time, subscribe the channel and get all the videos and press the bell notification icon to get notified. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep watching, keep learning.